Hey guys, well it's not Wednesday, so no slow cooker today. Instead, today we're going to make this sweet barbecue sauce, and you probably have all the ingredients in your pantry. So it's a good thing it's Pantry Challenge Month. Come on back and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, so today we're going to be using some ketchup, sugar, but in this case I'm using store brand yellow sugar. No names, you know. Molasses, pineapple juice, a little bit of water, some Worcestershire sauce, ground yellow mustard, paprika, garlic, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, and cumin. Let me get the burner up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we got our stove in place. Didn't take long, now did it? First thing we're going to do is we're going to add our ketchup. And what do? You know. Come on, tell me what we do. We use every bit. Don't waste it. You can waste it if you want. It's your money. But you'll never get rich that way. Then we're going to add in the sugar, the molasses, the pineapple juice. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the flame onto a medium low. And go ahead and start mixing this together. And while I'm mixing it in, I'm going to add the cumin, salt and pepper, the cayenne, garlic, paprika, and finally the mustard. I just want to mix this until it's really well incorporated. Get rid of these mustard lumps. Oh, we forgot the water. Okay, that looks mixed well enough. All the lumps are pretty much gone. I am going to let this come to a boil, reduce the heat, and let it simmer. I'll bring you back when I get to that point. You know what? I'm back for a real quick second, just because I realized we forgot the Worcestershire sauce. We don't want to miss that. So we're going to just stir that in. Better late than never. Now it was at the boiling point when I realized I had forgotten the Worcestershire sauce, so I had already turned the heat down to as low as a stove can go. Now I'm going to just put this lid on, half cocked, to let the excess steam out, but I just want to keep it from splashing everywhere. So I'll let this cook for about 10 minutes. It's usually longer, but the recipe I'm going to use this in, it'll have to get its chance to cook there. So I'll see you in about 10 minutes. Okay, so I've let this cook for about 10 minutes and I've turned it off to allow it to cool. And as you can see, it's pretty thick. It will get thicker as it cooks in the next dish. But if you want yours thicker, you could mix up a little bit of cornstarch, like a tablespoon with a couple drops of water, and then add it into it to thicken it up. But you want to add the cornstarch to cold water or you'll get lumps. Okay, I'm going to pour this into this glass bowl. That way it will allow it to cool a little bit faster. What are we doing? We got to scrape every bit because we don't want to throw our money away. There is a little bit, but I'll look that up later. I'm just kidding. All right, let's see if we can burn our mouth by giving it just a little taste. Oh God, you really got to try this. And since we used the yellow sugar, there's not quite as many carbs. I wish I would have used a bigger spoon. And if you'd like a printable version of this, you can go to www.funcookingchannel.com. Click on the top right hand corner on the recipe tabs. You'll find it near the bottom under sauce, sweet barbecue. Or you can just click this little direct link. I'll see you next time.